Thank you, Johnny. That was an interesting presentation and you finished very much on time. We now have our next speaker, Engineer Mohamed Helmy. He's from Berka Wastewater Treatment Plant General Manager and Greater Cairo Sanitary Drainage Company. His paper is Effective and Economical Chemicals for Tannery Wastewater Treatment. Mr. Helmy studied mechanical power engineering at Helwan University, Egypt in 2008. He then worked as operations and maintenance manager for Shubra El Khaima Wastewater Treatment Plant. In 2015, Mr. Helmy was elevated to the position of general manager at the Shubra El Khaima Wastewater Treatment Plant. From 2016 until 2018, he worked as an advisor for several projects, some of which are expansion of Madinati Wastewater Treatment Plant, Port Fuad Wastewater Treatment Plant, Basatin Slaughterhouse Wastewater Treatment Plant. Mr. Helmy is an accredited trainer for the holding company for water and wastewater. In addition, he is a teacher at Technical Secondary School for Water and Wastewater at Mostarad. In 2020, Mohammed worked as general manager for Berka Wastewater Treatment Plant, and in 2021, he worked as project manager for Robiki Leather Tanning Treatment Plant. He holds a position of general director of wastewater treatment and farms for Cairo East Nile region. Over to you, Mohammed.
Good evening. The effective and economical chemical for the training wastewater treatment. The Abdurrahman is completely the project.
Here we will talk about Leather City, which is a city for tanning for leather and glue made. It is located in the Badr city, about 1,600 faddam. The government provide all the necessary infrastructure and all what the project need to success this project. This project, one of the main problem facing this project is the total amount of the water that come out of the laser process, where there is every day there is about 8,000 cubic meter per day of the wastewater that is go to the treatment plant. In this study, we focused on try to found the most effective and least cost organic matter or inorganic coagulants to treatment the tannery wastewater, and also calculating the efficiency for each coagulant and flocculant used. Here we used HF ferrochloride and sodium hypochlorite in addition to BAC and BAM. In addition to, finally, the organic polymer. The reaction of ferrochloride with sodium hypochlorite made sodium ferrite, which is a good oxidizing agent that oxidize the organic matter in the water. During this study, during the study, the COD limits was about 3,000 to 4,000 milligram per liter. Suspended solid is about 1,000 to 2,000 milligram per liter. Here, after the treatment process, the sodium ferrite and the BAM matrix have high reduction capability for the COD, where it reduced to about 67%. In addition to the BAM and the BAC, mixture reduce the COD to about 41, and the organic polymer make a reduction to the COD about 31. All the three matrix for coagulant and flocculant has a good effect in TSS removal. It is reached to about 98%. The pH changes, there are variable changes in the pH during the study, where H of sodium fluoride and BAM effect on the pH effectively in the pH and made it reduction because of hydrolysis steps during coagulation. However, the organic polymer not make a deep effect on the pH. Each of the three matrix have a good effect on the chromium removal. It is reached for 98% for the three matrix. Finally, the matrix of sodium fluoride and BAM has a good effect on the removal of COD and TSS and chromium. Each of the BAM and BAC has a good effect to remove suspended solid and chromium. Organic polymer only have a good effect to remove the chromium. During the preparation of the sodium fluoride matrix, there is a release of a huge amount of chlorine gas. This chlorine gas can be collected in a system manner and then use it for the disinfection of the treated wastewater. The treated cost for the cubic meter for each matrix, for the sodium fluoride and the BAM, it take about 9 pounds. For the BAC and the BAM, for taking 1 meter cubic, it take about 10 pounds. For taking using the organic polymer, it cost about $0.36. Thank you.